We are gonna make an envelope today. We are gonna make an envelope, and you can color your piece of paper or you can leave it blank. But so you flip it over like this, and then you fold these two edges in. And you fold it this way. Okay, and then you fold it this way. You flip it over and it looks like a hat. And then you fold these two edges in. Then you fold this in, and then you take the stapler and you staple these two, this together, and you fold this down, and then it looks like an envelope. And you can open this up, and then there's a hole inside. And that's how you make an envelope.